The Excel file and the PowerPoint slides used for this lecture are available on my homepage under the CSE 2111 link, and they're also available on Carmen and Canvas, which is the learning management system used by OSU. Please follow along with the PowerPoint slides as I talk about each subject. The Countif function counts the number of items in a range that meet a specific criteria. Syntax equals countif, left parenthesis, range, comma, criteria, right parenthesis. The range is the continuous range you're going to use to evaluate. The criteria is going to determine what cells you want to count in that continuous range. If the criteria argument is a number, then you just type in the numeric value. In this example, we will count the number of cells that contain a 5. Using the countif, our range is A1 to A10, comma, and our criteria is a number, so we just type in the number. Notice we have 2 cells, 1, 2, that contain the number 5. Therefore, our answer is 2. If the criteria is non-numeric, then you surround it with quotes. Equals countif, our range, A1 to A10, comma, we are going to look for the value USA, USA only in that order, and we get the answer 5. The criteria with non-numeric data is not case sensitive. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hence, our answer 5. If you use a criteria that has a hard-coded value and a relational operator such as greater than or equal to, or less than, or greater than, you must surround the whole criteria in quotes. Equals countif, range, A1 to A10, comma, and now I want to count every cell that is greater than or equal to 5. So I have to surround the whole criteria in quotes, greater than or equal to 5, and now I have an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can also use a wildcard, which is denoted as an asterisk in my criteria. Here, I would type in equals countif, the range A1 to A10, comma, I want to look for everything that begins with the letters USA. Therefore, I put an asterisk after the A. Notice it's also surrounded in quotes. Get the answer 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the criteria is a cell reference, all you need to do is type in that cell reference. Equals countif, range B1 to B10, comma, I want to look for the letters USA, but now I have it in a cell reference. So it's A2, and we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the criteria consist of a numeric value and a relational operator such as greater than or equal to, less than or greater than, you must surround the relational operator with quotes, put an ampersand in front of the cell reference. Equals countif, range B1 to B10, comma, I want to look for every cell, I want to count every cell that is greater than or equal to 5. And this time I'm going to use a cell reference. So now I have to surround the relational operator in quotes. I have to put an ampersand in front of the cell reference, and my cell reference is A2. There are 8 cells that are greater than or equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.